Welcome to B.moss. As a specialist in advanced print production for marketing materials utilizing patented techniques of folding and cutting to achieve unique and interactive effects, B.moss offers dozens of patented models and ideas to the pharmaceutical industry for 20 years. Our products are designed to stand out and make a lasting impression, setting you apart in an increasingly digital world. We understand that the communication product in healthcare marketing is subject to many constraints, but that doesn't mean there's less room for creativity. In fact, it's the opposite. Our products communicate complex information in a way that is playful and memorable, and they end up in the hands of healthcare professionals in a tangible form, making it easier for them to remember and reference in the future. At B.moss, we're not a marketing agency or a printer. We are specialists in print production for our unique marketing tool, and we work with pharmaceutical companies to create unique and impactful marketing tools. Whether it's interactive convention displays, sales aids, handouts, mailings, or marketing packaging, we will make you stand out. If you have a project in mind, we're here to help. Our team will provide you with standard or custom suggestions and walk you through every step of the process. From choice of style to planning to production, we'll make sure your marketing tool is of the highest quality and meets your needs. We love to push the boundaries and develop new and innovative products. So, if you're looking for something that has never been done before, tell us about it. Our team will work with you to bring your vision to life. In conclusion, while digital marketing tools may be cheaper sometimes, they are often overlooked and forgotten. B.moss offers a unique and memorable solution that will differentiate your product from the competition and leave a lasting impression on healthcare professionals.